Hey everybody, Tad Stevens, Evergreen Reviews here again. Wanted to show you another video of a walkthrough of the seven-figure affiliate system that I mentioned a couple videos ago. I bought this. I use it daily. I think it is one of the best entry-level type affiliate systems out there, or training courses and systems. It's easy to follow. Like I said, I'm following it right now, as a matter of fact. I'm going to let the video play, and then I will have some closing thoughts after it's over. So watch this.
Hi, and welcome to the Seven-Figure Affiliate System by Michael Chaney. This is his flagship product. Now, what I'm going to be able to do today is give you a little sneak peek inside of the members area so you can see exactly what the Seven-Figure Affiliate System is all about. Now, Michael has created 8 easy-to-follow modules that you're going to be able to get stuck into. Now, the first one is the riches are in the niches. The second is where the money is and how to get it. The golden thread is the third. The fourth is the secret sales triggers. The fifth is win the sale by adding value. The sixth is produce the perfect promo. 7 is turn on the traffic. And 8 is the secrets of a 7-figure affiliate. Now, when you go inside of one of these modules, what you're actually going to get is a detailed video from Michael, and you're also going to be able to access and download the MP3 audio, download the transcript, download the slides, and download the video on all of those. So we're just going to go back here. Now, your core modules are also there, but you can also access them when you go to the home. You can also access them when you click on the hyperlink here of the logo. Now, when you go to your upgrades, now one thing I should tell you, and make sure that you actually really think about this, is that you will only have one opportunity to buy the upgrades. You will have one opportunity only, and that is when you're going through the checkout and purchasing the front end, the product, the 7-figure affiliate system. Now, these are designed, these upsells, to fast track you. So if you're interested, make sure you grab them straight away because they're not available to purchase in the members area, and there is no option to get a discount or a downsell or anything on these either. So you're going to be able to access 10 automatic money makers, the ultimate traffic machine, and the reseller package where you're going to be able to explode your income by accessing 100% commissions through the entire funnel. Now, I'm going to take you inside of the 10 automatic money makers because it's not 10. It is way more than that. Now, this is actually a course in itself, to be honest, that you're going to be able to follow, and it's really going to take you to the next level. Now, inside of here, you expect to be able to access well over 25 campaigns that have paid Michael the most money. Now, if you were one of the lucky people and you actually ticked the box and grabbed the 500K, which is not announced on here in the members area, but you will get a special access to it. Now, it is an opportunity for you to see behind the scenes of a 500K campaign. Now, this is one campaign that Michael promoted that he made 500K from. So you're going to be able to see that. Upsell 2 is the ultimate traffic machine, and this is exactly what you're going to get here. Now, I'm not going to take you through too much of that because this is a traffic system that Michael has been using for a very long time that nobody actually knows that he uses. It is top secret, and the only way you're going to find out about it is if you purchase it. And then we've got the reseller package here, which I was mentioning before is going to explode your income by being able to access 100% of the commissions. Now, all your bonuses from the front end, from the core modules here, are actually inside of this tab here. So you're going to be able to access all the bonuses, which is the true story, how the little guy overcomes the odds to make millions. You're going to be able to access the Rapid Affiliate Quick Start Guide, also the Affiliate Profit Matrix. You're going to be able to jump on the free Breakthrough Orientation session, get the Ultimate Accountability System. You're going to be able to get a rock solid millionaire mindset by jumping on the affiliate millionaire mindset and watching those videos there that Michael has created for you. You're also going to be able to go on a 7-day affiliate fast start and be invited to the 7-figure affiliate community access. And then over here, you've got your help button where you're going to be able to connect with all these beautiful people here. This is the team that's going to help you, and you're going to be able to get support between 9 a.m. Eastern to 5 p.m. Eastern. And this is Monday to Friday. So that's it. That is the 7-figure affiliate system. And we look forward to seeing you on the inside. Have a great day.
That was Paula, Michael's launch manager, who walked through the system, the components of the system. There's more than she showed, or she didn't go into detail in all of it. It is fairly in-depth. It is not hugely broad or complicated. You can get through it relatively quickly if you want. You can binge on it, get through it in probably a weekend if you really pushed it. But it is doable either quickly or over time. Again, I think it's a great entry-level system. I bought it, and I'm not even entry-level. I just always like to keep up with who's doing what. And I've learned a lot of things of it. In fact, I'm doing, as I said in the beginning, I'm doing one of them right now. So one of the things I'm going to add to it is that if you have questions about it before you buy it and you want to, just contact me. Just leave a comment in the comment section below the video, or I'll have contact information where you can email me. You can even join a Facebook group that I run. But happy to talk to you, happy to share what I've experienced out of it, any detailed questions you've got. So I'd go get it. If you're interested in affiliate marketing, if you're not interested in affiliate marketing, this is not for like e-commerce stores or anything like that. So I wouldn't do that by any means. But if you're interested in affiliate marketing, I think this is great. Go grab it.